Fucking A, that bitch is hot, man. Got the new one on, put some oil around it, lubed her up. Got our new crushed washer here. It's not a crushed washer, it's a crushed washer. Alright, now there's already one on there, so we gotta get it off. The ditto's on the upside. That's it. All right, now we're on the hunt. We're on the hunt for a fun ale. Gotcha, bitch. All right.
Is that the new?
Yep. Can pop, lock, and drop it. All right, so the oil change is done. Got the car off up the ramps. So I did the last oil change at approximately, I think, 9,400 miles. We're at pretty much 13,000, so I did it roughly 4,000 miles later. Why is it not focusing? There we go. So 13,000 for the most part. So I'm gonna go ahead and hop in here to the car info, head to maintenance, and I'm gonna change this to dun, 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 notification distance remaining. We're gonna put this back up 5,000. Since I did it a little bit early, I'm gonna run 5,000 this time. Okay, don't know why I did that. 5,000 set. Okay, now oil filter, same thing. 5,000 set. All right, donezo. All right, so we're all set there. Cool. Thanks for watching. That's the second oil change on the 22 Subaru WRX. We got it done. Thanks for watching, guys. Comment, like, share, subscribe. Peace.